season's greetings na siwos na kaywa. Ito gimana kaywa, dahil na si ang kaksabihin kat kadinalar, but mode, pagoko, sud malaming Christmas 2021, e akot na ke CES Asia 2022. Duo, lain duo, kaya kayo na siwos, mait na kaywa, kita ka haskale na siya Kosrae. Captain Billy Pollard, Awala Kosrae, Division of Public Safety, Inapilid, and buying Mike Cole for Large Kaiwa, the national, state, municipal government, we might call the Large Kaiwa, and Mike Kosrae na Kaiwa.
Nui ko was in Kaksikinuka, Kimogo, at Kaisi Polakin, Kimoton, Rasan Kipensin. When I get Alimo, Malam Tisembo, Aklin Yamo, Malam Kosrae o Maye. Kishipesinye, Division of Public Safety, Ero Kune in Kosrae, Kwakshikia, Umaye Maya Sikia. Yotna, Nakin Shoy, Utat Magashos. Metaka Arsh, Kilux Tos at the roadblock, at Passia Kitopel in Malam Tisembo, Sin Metric on Division of Public Safety. I accept you from local, we might call on state government, in the shape of Kaiwa in a row, in Anlashki, all this season saying, in Koin, Karmin, Tia, Orella, Ilya, Kosaparans in Messiah, on a Sipan. Nor Wilson Joshua Philip, Chief of Police, Tomsia Division of Public Safety, Tomsia, Merry Christmas. Advance Happy New Year na sin might na kayo na may clash pinena ko na si was siya ma ikin might Kosrae unta fin siya inen Kosrae siya ma tunin na ki program sila sin in Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, may God bless.